Well, here we go for part 3. Well guys, I think I hit the nail again. I'll check it. Two nails, one here, the other one is there. Yeah. So I'll have to remove those and get my third blade. I have another blade that I hit some nails with it, so stop the engine here. I think it's going to be it for tonight. I'll sharpen my blade. Maybe I'll check it and sharpen it tonight, later, and finish milling this piece of log tomorrow. Yeah, but nice piece of plank, guys. The grain on that is awesome. It's my neighbor who came. I told him I was milling his log today that he gave me, and he came to take a look at the wood, so he was surprised. It's a nice grain. It's I'm surprised a lot, actually. And the rotten piece here, it's not that bad. I'll have my 8-foot, and if it's too much rot, I have 5 feet here easily for the front of the trailer here to put vertically, and the other ones are going to go horizontally. 10-inch, I need, it's 16-inch, need 6 planks, 6, 7, 8, 9 planks. I have 3 planks there, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 planks there, and I have 8 more planks here. That's going to be cool. One of my friends asked me for woods. You have a trailer too? So the other log, I think I'm going to mill it and give it to him to put in his trailer. So thanks again for watching, and till next time, work safe.